Welcome back to the Miyagi Course. In our last lesson, we learned how to create videos with AI without the tech hassle or expensive agencies. Today, we'll explore how to become a leader into the future with collaborative leadership skills and adaptability. In the future, we all need to embrace the role of a coach. Coaching is synonymous with collaborative leadership, and it's essential to be able to zoom in and out quickly to adapt to various situations. Let's dive into our prompts for understanding and enhancing leadership skills. First, define a great leader. Define a great leader. Next, understand different leadership styles. What are the main leadership styles? Then, identify key mistakes and techniques for new leaders. I am a new leader. What are the 3 biggest mistakes to avoid and the 3 biggest techniques to use in order to succeed? Be short and concise. Finally, gather suggestions for becoming an outstanding coach and leader. I want to be an outstanding coach and leader. Please list 5 suggestions I should pay attention to. By practicing these prompts, you can develop the skills required to be a future-ready leader. Embrace collaborative leadership and adaptability to guide your team effectively. It's amazing that over 74% of our regular viewers haven't subscribed yet. If my videos have ever brought you value or sparked a new idea, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Your support helps the channel grow, allows me to invite even more amazing guests, and create better content for you. Fair? Subscribe now, and let's continue to grow together in the next video. Thank you for watching. All the prompts are listed below. Check the description for a link to subscribe to my email list and get my free guide, which is always kept up to date with the latest tips. In the next lesson, we'll dive deeper into leadership and how you can leverage AI to stay ahead in your business.